Families are now receiving letters about operations on their children from 15 years ago, making it likely that a scandal over unnecessary surgery is about to deepen. The government will be asked today by Sinn Féin to come clean on hip dysplasia operations carried out at hospitals under the remit of Children's Health Ireland, already hit by the surgical springs fiasco. It is feared that thousands of youngsters, many now grown to adulthood, could be affected, with potentially a huge compensation liability for the state. Health Minister Jennifer Carroll-MacNeill has confirmed that letters are being sent out to families about traumatic operations from long ago. It follows an audit into alleged unwarranted surgeries carried out in 2 hospitals on children who did not need it, and in some cases did not even have the condition to warrant a correction. An action plan is currently being drafted in advance of the final audit report, Ms Carroll-MacNeill said in response to Sinn Féin Health spokesman David Cullinane. This plan includes identification of groups of patients not included in the audit sample, but who may be affected by any findings. Sinn Féin Health spokesman David Cullinane said this is the first acknowledgement from government that this scandal could date back to 2010, he said, adding it means the number of suspect cases has to run into the thousands. It was now admitted that families who have been contacted about surgeries over a 15-year period, but it has taken the government nearly 2 months to confirm this basic fact, Mr Cullinane said. He added that families have been left in the lurch, having received letters which contain next to no information. Anxious and worried parents are contacting us because they don't know what to do next or how to get answers for their children. The Minister says that an action plan is being drafted, but we still need clarity on what the process will be for concerned families and how many families in total have been contacted.